Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we are embarking on an exciting exploration of abstract photography and its storytelling power. I am Eva Polak and I am delighted to guide you through this journey of visual imagination and emotion. In this first video of our two-part series, we will delve into the essence of abstract storytelling, uncovering how colors, shapes, and textures can evoke emotions and ideas. It's like creating poetry with your camera, every frame brimming with meaning. Let's dive in and discover the secrets behind crafting compelling abstract narratives. Abstract photography is not just about physical world. It's about capturing emotions, ideas, and narratives through visual elements. It moves away from direct representation and instead uses colors, shapes, patterns, texture, and light to evoke moods and provoke thoughts. Imagine it as creating a visual poem or a song that steers your audience, rather than telling a literal story. At its core, abstract photography invites viewers to interpret the image in their own way, allowing each person to experience a unique emotional journey. Unlike traditional photography, where the subject matter is often immediately recognizable, abstract photography challenges the viewer to engage their imagination. It asks, "What do you feel when you look at this?" rather than, "What is it?" Abstract photography is a unique medium that allows us to communicate powerful emotions without using words. It's like tapping into a universal language that speaks directly to the heart. By skillfully manipulating visual elements like colors, shapes, and patterns, you can create images that resonate emotionally and evoke a deep response. Let's explore how these elements can convey various emotions and set the tone of your photographs. Color is one of the most impactful tools at a photographer's disposal. It can quickly set the mood of an image and trigger emotional responses, often without the viewer consciously recognizing it. Different colors are naturally associated with specific feelings or psychological reactions, making them an essential part of abstract storytelling. The shapes you incorporate into your images can dramatically alert their emotional impact. Geometric shapes, organic forms, and their relationship to one another create rhythms and narratives that speak to different emotional states. Patterns are another powerful tool in abstract photography, offering visual repetition that can evoke a sense of rhythm, harmony, or even dissonance, depending on how they are presented. Repeated shapes, lines, or colors can influence the emotional response to an image. Light has the ability to influence the mood of an image more than almost any other element. The way light falls on a subject, the contrast between light and shadow, and the quality of light can all dramatically shift the emotional undertones of a photograph. The key to using these visual elements effectively in abstract photography lies in your ability to combine them to match the emotion you want to convey. Just as an artist mixes colors on a canvas, you can mix elements like color, shape, patterns, and light to craft a photograph that tells a compelling emotional story. Experiment with how subtle shifts in color temperature, changes in the patterns, or adjustment in the light can completely alter the mood of an image. In the realm of abstract photography, the magic of symbolism lies in its ability to convey complex ideas and emotions without the need for literal representation. Rather than simply showing things as they are, you can use symbols, single elements, subtle details, or carefully chosen objects to tell a story that goes beyond the surface. These symbols act as visual metaphors, offering deeper layers of meaning and inviting the viewers to engage in a more profound, interpretive experience. When you successfully incorporate symbolism into your abstract photography, the impact is lasting. Viewers are drawn to images that evoke deeper thoughts and emotions, and symbolism is a key tool for creating such depth. Abstract photography is not just about capturing moments, it's about creating a space where both the artist and the viewer engage in a dynamic, ongoing dialogue. In this type of work, the audience becomes an active participant in a creative process, helping to shape the meaning and emotional impact of your photographs. It's a two-way street, where your vision as an artist meets the interpretation and emotional response of the viewers. This collaborative interaction elevates the artwork, making it more than just a passive viewing experience. The beauty of abstract photography is that there is no right or wrong answer. There is no single interpretation that can define the meaning of a photograph. Your art is a reflection of your individuality and your artistic journey. When you embrace this freedom, you allow yourself to explore, experiment, and grow as a photographer. Don't be afraid to express yourself fully, even if your work challenges norms and provokes strong reactions. The most impactful art often comes from places of boldness and authenticity. And that's a wrap for part 1 of our exploration into the world of abstract photography. We've delved into the power of emotions, symbolism, and the role of interpretation in creating meaningful personal images. Remember, abstract photography is all about pushing the boundaries of creativity, inviting your audience to engage, and allowing them to discover their own connection to the work. But this is just the beginning. In part 2, we'll dive even deeper into how you can refine your techniques, incorporate new elements into your compositions, and push your abstract work to even greater heights. Don't miss it. Thank you so much for joining me today. Be sure to leave your thoughts in the comments below. Let's continue this conversation and inspire one another. See you in the part 2.